Hi Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker from Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Hey, have you ever wanted to find a deal on a double oven range? Well, I've got one for you today. All right, so today I'm bringing you this Samsung double oven range. I think you're gonna love it. First of all, it's black stainless, which is a very, very popular color. A lot of people are switching from stainless to black stainless, and it gets you a much more refined look. In this range, if we just look at the top, it's not just a 4-burner gas range, but it's a 5-burner. We got this one right in the middle. So when have you ever wanted that? Well, you probably all the time. You want that 5-burner right in the middle. It's a nice screen back here. If we look at the controls, we got controls for the top oven, controls for the bottom oven. We've got a 10-digit punch here, so we actually put in precise temperatures, precise timing. It's actually really nice. It's nice and clean. It's always going to look this way. I think you'll love it, but this one is truly a different double oven than most. So if we take a look at it, number one thing is it doesn't really look like a double oven except for some of the windows that you see. And when we open this up, it actually can be a single oven. All I've got to do is pull this centerpiece out, and it can just be one oven like you're normally going to see. It's a double convection, so we have convection on the top, we have convection on the bottom, and if we want to slide this back in, we can cook at independent temperatures on the top and the bottom. So it's really great. So how do you control that? Well, whenever you want it to be a double oven, you just pull the trigger right up here and fold the door down. And now you're just going to be using the top. Now, how often are you going to do that? Well, friends of mine own double ovens, and I can tell you that in most of the time, they're just using the top. It's very rare that they actually use the full thing. So I'm going to guess that if you buy this oven today, you're going to find that you're using this most of the time, which will save you a lot of energy. It's going to save you a lot of time. You're only going to be dealing with something that you don't have to bend over so much for. So I think you'll like that, but whenever you want it, you can access the bottom as well. And again, it's just as simple as pulling this out. Now, what's convection about? Well, convection is fans that blow in the heat, and it makes the entire cavity about the same temperature. So that's great for even cooking throughout the whole thing. It actually sears meat on the outside, leaving it juicy on the inside. It cooks a little faster. You don't want to use it. You don't have to use it, but it's all there for you. And this is a very sought after feature, being a double oven. So I think you're going to love that. The other thing about this range is it's got some presets on there. So if we take a look at it, it's got a slow cook built into it. It's got dehydrate built into it. It's got bread proof built into it. It's also a self-clean oven. So when you're ready to do the cleaning, you just turn on the self-clean feature. It just jacks up the heat really hard, turns everything out to ash on the inside, and you just wipe it out. So it's a convenient oven. It's a great deal. It's beautiful. I think it's going to really accent your kitchen. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed the video today and learned something. We'd love it if you would like the video. We'd love it if you would subscribe to the video. A new feature for us, if you look in the description of this video, you want to find where you can buy this, there's a store locator. You can find this at any of our stores here in Colorado.